Do not mistake my kindness for weakness. I am kind to everyone, but if you are unkind to me, it will not be weakness that you will remember me for. Real motivation comes when we listen, read, and marvel at the wisdom of people who have changed the world. Become a better person inspired by Al Capone's true quotes. You can go a long way with a smile. You can go a lot farther with a smile and a gun. Be careful who you call your friends. I'd rather have 4 quarters than 100 pennies. When I sell liquor, it's bootlegging. When my patrons serve it on a silver tray on Lakeshore Drive, it's hospitality. Capitalists believe they can take everything at the table as belonging to them. Capitalism is the legitimate racket of the ruling class. Hell must be a pretty swell spot, because the guys that invented religion have sure been trying hard to keep everybody else out. Don't mistake kindness for weakness. I'm a businessman. I've made my money supplying a popular demand. If I break the law, my customers are as guilty as I am. Some of the biggest drees in the country buy from me and have for years, so let's stop kidding. All I ever did was sell beer and whiskey to our best people. Why, the very guys that make my trade good are the ones that yell the loudest about me. Some of the leading judges use the stuff. I violate the prohibition law? Sure, who doesn't? The only difference is that I take more chances than the man who drinks a cocktail before dinner and a flock of highballs after it. Find the toughest guy in the room, embrace him like a brother, and then slam his head against the wall. I never stuck up a man in my life. Neither did any of my agents ever rob anybody or burglarize any homes while they worked for me. They might have pulled plenty of jobs before they came with me or after they left me, but not while they were in my outfit. A crook is a crook, and there is something healthy about his frankness in the matter, but the guy who pretends he's enforcing the law and steals on his authority is a swell snake. I'll go as deep in my pockets as any man to help any guy that needs help. I can't stand to see anybody hungry or cold or helpless. Union members look at dues the same way they look at taxes. Just something you got to pay the thieves who run things. I'm the boss. I'm going to continue to run things. They've been putting the Roscoe on me for a good many years, and I'm still healthy and happy. Don't let anybody kid you into thinking I can be run out of town. I haven't run yet, and I'm not going to. This American system of ours, call it Americanism, call it capitalism, call it what you like, gives to each and every one of us a great opportunity if we only seize it with both hands and make the most of it. I have spent the best years of my life giving people the lighter pleasures, helping them have a good time, and all I get is abuse, the existence of a hunted man. Thank you for your development. What quote would you share with your friends? Tell about it in the comments. Subscribe and watch our other videos.